Proverbs 22:6. It says, "Train up a child in the way they should go, and when he or she is older, they will not depart from it."
Preschool at Kapalua, beneath the shading tree. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
David hit Goliath's head in the forehead.
Very good. Yeah.
This is love, that we walk after his commandments. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Now I'm going to introduce you to our graduates. Lahiva Balagzo, other hand, there we go. Her favorite thing to do at preschool is playing in the sand with her friends. And when she grows up, she wants to be a veterinarian and cook with her mom. Braden Hem. Braden's favorite thing to do at preschool is playing with the Legos. And when he grows up, he wants to be a construction worker. Van's favorite thing to do at preschool is playing with the dinosaurs and the animals. And when he grows up, he wants to learn and teach people about animals. Akira Maulet. Akira's favorite thing to do at preschool is singing. And when she grows up, she wants to be a teacher that reads Bible stories. Now I present to you the preschool at Kapalua's graduating class of 2017.